Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So as expected, market fell. I told yesterday's video only this is a perfect trap, right? Almost Nifty touched 17,300. Now if you go short, again it is going to be a trap. Why am I saying this is because today is a day where FIAs have bought huge quantity, 5 digits. Usually they sell for around 4,000 crores or buy for 400 crores, 500 crores or not 500 crores or 1,500 crores. But they have bought extensively today. We'll talk about that. And it's mainly due to one reason, that is maybe because of Adani. You know what is happening to Adani. It's kind of fluctuating so much. They are just pumping like anything. We'll talk about briefly, and we'll also see what is the market levels, what is going to happen, what is going to happen going forward. See, I'll tell you whatsoever, even if this FIAs are selling, my perspective about this FIA buying is because of one stock, that is because of Adani. Apart from that, FIAs are bearish. If you see in a FIA future index position, still they are having huge quantity of index short position. In fact, they have less than 20% of index long position in future. So it's all about Adani. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about Nifty levels also. In fact, Nifty almost touched 17,300 levels, and Bank Nifty is almost below 40,500. We'll see what is going to happen for going forward one by one, right? So this is not a chart, this is sensible. I'll go to the Nifty chart. So if you see this chart, these levels which I have marked is not new. This is old levels. So if you have been following us, these levels you can identify. These are all the old levels which we have marked. And what happened today is Bank Nifty gapped down and it came all the way to 17,350 levels. So I told yesterday also 17,350 is a very super support, and it went all the way to 17,400, which also I told yesterday is going to be a very good support, resistance. Then it came again twice, it touched 17,350 levels, and it came all the way down to 17,300 levels. If you see this 2 o'clock candle, low was around 17,300, low was around 17,306. Then it retraced and it was kind of sideways. Now what is going to happen tomorrow is $1 million question, right? Maybe tomorrow is going to be a gap down. US futures are all in the red. We'll have to see what is going to happen. If at all it crosses, if it opens below 17,300, we may again test 17,250 levels. Let me mark it here in front of you itself. So this is the level if it gaps down. So in case if it gaps up tomorrow, we might test 17,400 levels. So it is going to be choppy. It is going to be, markets are going to be sideways. Why am I saying that this market is going to be choppy and sideways? In spite of so much of fall, we are not seeing India VIX higher going up. In fact, India VIX is around 12.95. In spite of falling from 17,400 to 17,300, around 150 points drop in Nifty, India VIX has come down by 0.23%. So that is very important thing you have to note. So what does this say is that market participants are confident. They think market might not go down. So you can take that way, right? And if you see Bank Nifty was super volatile. And in fact, from 17,400, it broke 40,700 to 40. It broke 40,500 and it closed all the way around 40,300. Now what is going to happen in case if there is a gap up? Maybe it will retest 40,500. In case it opens above 40,500, it will try to test the support of 40,500. If it is not testing 40,500 tomorrow, we are having positive global cues, maybe it will go and touch 40,700. In case if it is gapping down, then we might see 40,200, which was a good support, and maybe lows of around 40,000 also if we are having global cues, right? So this is a disclaimer. If you want to go long, try to go long if Bank Nifty is above 40,500 and sustaining above 40,500. And if you want to go long in Nifty, try to go long in Nifty if Nifty is above 17,400 and trying to sustain above 17,400. And if you want to short Nifty, you have to short Nifty if Nifty is below 17,300 and sustaining below 17,300. And Bank Nifty also same, if it is sustaining below 40,200, you can go short in the market. Of course, there's a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? And if you see the market participant wise, even yesterday they are having 1,61,384 active short positions in futures, and they have reduced their short position in long position in futures also. That is not significant, very less. 36,000 long positions they have, 36,000 active contracts they had in futures, that has reduced to 35,780. That is very low, but they had 1,66,000 active contracts, short contracts in future on February 28th. Now it has come to 1,61,384 contracts. Of course, this is a lagging data. Tomorrow only we will know if they have sold today or not, right? So this is just a lagging data. And when it comes to open interest, this is the 2nd March open interest. What I can see is 17,400 to around 17,800 people are writing huge call options in Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, people are writing how much? Yeah, from 40,500 all the way to 41,500 people are writing huge call options, right? Now, in the start of this video, I told this might be a trap. Why I should say this is a trap? Because FII activity, if you see the FII activity, what happened day before yesterday is, you know what happened? Bank Nifty rallied like around 700, 800 points, and people who had returned call options in Bank Nifty had to run for cover. Now this could happen again, and we really don't know. See, this might be a bottom also. Who knows? 17,300 might be a bottom, and maybe 40,200 might be maybe a bottom for Bank Nifty. We really don't know. In spite of market falling all the way downside, we are seeing India VIX dropping. See, we are having a negative global cues. See, this inflation fear is in US. So US markets are not moving. Let me check US market. US markets are not moving at all. It's not giving any positive signs. So that is one thing. But at the same time, FIIs are buying huge, means there is something that which we don't know is happening, or something which we don't know, maybe these guys are having idea about, few institutions are having idea about, right? So this is the US futures. US futures are all mixed. Dow Jones is up by 88 points or 90 points, less than 0.5%. S&P Nasdaq is down by 0.5%. Even FTSE is also down by, it's also mixed. Now, I'll not delay much. I'll see, if you see the FII figures, FIIs have bought for around 12,770 crores, and DIIs have bought for 2,128 crores. I'll say it again, FIIs have bought for 12,770 crores and DIIs have bought for 2,128 crores. This is a massive figure which we have not seen in recent days. So this is what is confusing. See, market is coming down. There are huge call raters. When you see it in open interest wise, at the same time, India VIX is also not dropping. India VIX is also not increasing, and FIIs are buying for 12,000 crores of cash provision. So this is something which is very, very confusing, and you will have to be very, very cautious. This might be a bottoming out process. Who knows, after 8 or 9 days of red candle, this might be a bottoming process. We are already at a support, crucial support, which is budget day low, and India VIX is not shooting up. So it's a mixed cluster. So you will have to figure it out whether you want to go long or whether you want to go short in the market. See, I'm not trying to say anything. It is up to you whether you want to go long in the market or whether you want to short the market. Markets are super confusing, and you let me know what is your idea on the session below, comment section below, right? So be careful and trade cautious. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.